Diabetes is a life-changing illness you can manage and even put into remission with lifestyle changes. Recognizing the warning signs early can help you avoid type 2 diabetes altogether. Many people are unaware of these signs, but understanding them is crucial for your health. Worried you might be diabetic or just want to stay healthy? Read on to discover the key diabetes warning signs you shouldn't ignore. 1. Your mouth is often dry. Everyone's mouth gets dry from time to time. This could happen due to anything from dry weather to not getting enough water to drink. But if your mouth feels dry more often than not, then you may actually have diabetes. How does that work? In short, one of the chief side effects of having diabetes is that your body doesn't produce enough insulin on its own. This can manifest in a number of ways, including your mouth feeling dry. 2. Thirsty. This next diabetes warning sign goes hand in hand with the first. Just as the lack of insulin can make your mouth feel dry, it can also make you feel like you're constantly thirsty. Don't freak out just because you're thirsty. It's perfectly natural to feel that way if you haven't had a glass of water recently. But as with the sensation of dry mouth, you should consider constant thirst a potential diabetes warning sign and consult with your physician. 3. Frequently having to pee. Frequent urination is a surprising but reliable warning sign of diabetes. This happens because high blood sugar forces your kidneys to work harder to eliminate the excess sugar. However, other factors, like age, can also cause frequent urination, so it's important to consult your doctor for a proper diagnosis. 4. Wounds take too long to heal. Everyone gets minor wounds, but if yours are healing slower than before, it might be a sign of diabetes. High blood sugar can delay healing and increase the risk of infection and nerve damage. If you're concerned, consult your doctor promptly. 5. Vision. As we get older, it's not uncommon that we need to go to the eye doctor as our vision gets worse. Most of the time, this simply results in a prescription for glasses or contacts. However, there may be a more sinister cause of your vision problems: diabetes. Diabetes can cause a host of vision problems, including dark spots, blurred vision, and outright vision loss. It's important to treat all vision problems seriously because doing so can help you diagnose and treat diabetes, and the treatment you get can help improve your quality of life.